All right, hopefully you are ready for the results on our big mic test. And I really appreciate those who came in and voted a little bit. So we're going to talk about that right now. Well, there were 7 mics involved, and the highest one got 7 votes. And for being one of the best or the best. I gave them, if you mentioned them as being good, I gave them all an equal because it was hard to tell on some of them whether they thought it was the very best or one of the best or whatever. So the highest one, the one that got mentioned the most, got 7 votes. Let's start out with number 1, and hopefully you can see the numbers behind me that show what we have. Number 1 got 6 votes, so one less than the maximum of 7. And that was this little tack star that was actually attached to the camera as I was recording it. So it's a Takstar SGC 598 and designed to go on your camera. Number 2 got 0 votes, and rightfully so, because it did sound pretty bad. And that was this Asus with the built-in microphone, this laptop. Now, and a disclaimer for the Asus, I didn't make any kind of adjustments. I just turned it on, clicked it on. I don't know if I should have gone in, turned the mic up, turned it down, whatever. But anyway, in the test itself, it did sound pretty darn bad. Number 3 that came out with 3 votes was the Tab right here. So this is a Lenovo Tab 10 or something like that. Fairly new. I got it just a few months ago, and that mic came out with 3 votes. So just a little bit less than half of what they are. And it's just recorded it, and I've done some vlogs with talking about various things where I needed the screenshots, and I've used this, and the sound has been very adequate for what I was doing. Number 4 is actually the Note 4. The Samsung Note 4, which is just an extra cell phone I've had around that I use sometimes to control my drone and sometimes to do screenshots with when I need a cell phone to show you an example of something. And the audio's always been pretty good. And like I said, it came out with 6 votes. So number 4 had 6 votes, which tied with number 1 for 6 votes, and is only 1 vote less than the maximum that anybody got. Number 5 was this guy right here, this little Neewer, the one that I opened up in the package and in the vlog. Opened up the package in the vlog. And that's actually what I'm using right now for this one. And it got 4 votes, so kind of surprising. I thought maybe it'd get a little bit more than that, but that's what it got, was 4 votes. Then number 6 was 0, and rightfully so. First of all, it was monaural. Second, it was just this little teeny cheap desk mic that I had plugged into another laptop over here. So 0 votes on that one, and rightfully so. And you're probably wondering, okay, which one got all the 7 votes, the winner of all of them? And it was my Samsung Galaxy S9 cell phone. I've used it for some vlogging when I was out in the woods and stuff like that, and excellent audio on it. Now, I did have the Tab, the Note 4, and the Note 9 sitting here on this towel, so that it didn't get the vibration from the desk and those kinds of things. So there's your voting. Number 7 was that got 7 was the Samsung S9. Thank you again for your votes. If you haven't already subscribed. Next vlog coming out should be in 2 or 3 days, hopefully, is a road trip that myself and a friend took down to Death Valley National Park. Show you some of the beauties of that. As far as photography went, we got some pictures. The problem was we had nothing but pure blue skies. No clouds at day, no clouds at night, no sunrise, no sunset clouds. And on day 1, and we were only there for really 2 days, day 1 was so windy, it was horrible. It might have been the highest winds they've ever had. I doubt that. But it was just 50, 60, 70 mile an hour winds on day one, and it was ridiculous. But anyway, we did still get some pictures in that. But so hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, come on back and enjoy Death Valley with us, along with other photography, other travel, and other who knows what's going to happen on this channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next vlog.